Stop making chocolate mousse that's heavy, grainy, or just plain boring. Today, I'm showing you the trick to that dreamily light, intensely chocolatey cloud everyone craves. If you've always wanted to master a truly incredible chocolate mousse, you're in the right place. Today, we're making a classic that tastes straight out of a fancy French patisserie. Get ready for a dessert revelation! The biggest challenge with mousse is often getting that perfect light texture without it collapsing. Many recipes mess it up by overheating chocolate or not folding correctly. Our secret starts with quality chocolate, melted gently. Then, whisk egg yolks with sugar into a pale, creamy ribbon. This is our rich base. Now for the magic. Gently folding in perfectly whipped egg whites. This is where the air comes from, so no aggressive stirring. Think of it like coaxing tiny chocolate clouds into existence. We'll also fold in some freshly whipped cream for extra velvety smoothness and stability. The key is to be light-handed. Keep all that beautiful air. We chill it, let it set, and what you get is an ethereal, melt-in-your-mouth dessert that's impossibly light, yet bursting with intense chocolate flavor. It's truly a showstopper for any occasion. This isn't just dessert. It's an experience. Easy enough for a beginner, yet impressive enough for a seasoned foodie. Give it a try, and prepare to be amazed. Hit subscribe for more delicious recipes. And I'll see you next time!